Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to choose the storybooks for our kids. So I know that choosing storybooks is somewhat difficult because when you go to bookshops there are a lot of books around you, and also the publishers are different, and the book organizations, the contents are different. So how do you choose the suitable books for your children? So that's a tough thing. I'll tell you how I do. So basically, since my kids are around 5 years of age, I would like to go for Ladybird books. So if you can see this mark, it's the Ladybird mark. Ladybird books. You can easily identify the books, and also there's a read it yourself text with Ladybird. This is a level 2 book, and if you look at the back side of this book, it mentions the levels. Level 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So level 0 for level stories for children who are developing their synthetic phonics skills. And the level 1 for children who are ready to take their first steps in reading, for beginner readers who can read short, simple sentences with help, is for level 2. For level 3 is for more confident readers who can read simple stories with help. Level 4 for longer stories for more independent, fluent readers. So these books also this also mentions that these books are book banded for school use, and this is ready to use books, so it is easy. And if you open up this book, there's a note to parents, carers and teachers. So there's a note, read it yourself is a series of modern stories, favorite characters, traditional tales and first reference books written in a simple way for children who are learning to read. The books can be read independently or as part of a guided reading session. Each book is carefully structured to include the many high-frequency words vital for first reading. The sentences on each page are supported closely by pictures to help with understanding and to offer lively details to talk about. The books are graded into levels that progressively introduce wider vocabulary and longer text as readers' ability and confidence grow. And also there's some text about ideas for how to use this book. And in this page it explains what is inside these books, who are in the books, what they are going to explain. So this book is about playing football. See, there's a playing football, there's introducing some words and concepts, and also they have used careful match between text and pictures, some nice colored pictures. See, if you look at this, so when the child read the book and with these bright color pictures, they can easily understand what the words say. So that is why I go for Ladybird books. So it is easy for them to read, as well as these pictures, I think, that stimulate their brains because they are nice and bright. And what else? Oh, and at the end of this book, a picture glossary. So what are the new words that they learned in the picture glossary? And also there's an index and there's a quiz. So once your child read this book, you can ask these questions. So there are questions. So it is easy to read and get interactive with this book. So that's all about how to choose the books. That's how I go. That this is my selection, and I hope you also would be allowed to go for Ladybird books. But there are more other books that is good for children. So this is my choice. Thank you very much.